Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the password or passcode of your Zoom meeting. This is particularly useful when you need to update your meeting security or if you feel your current passcode may have been shared more widely than intended. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.es. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your Zoom account dashboard. This is where you'll have full control over all your meeting settings and configurations. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. Here you'll find various navigation options that help you manage different aspects of your Zoom account. Look for the option labeled Meetings and click on it. This section displays all your scheduled Zoom meetings, whether they're one-time sessions or recurring meetings. It's essentially your meeting hub where you can view, modify, or delete any of your upcoming sessions. Now, you'll see a list of all your scheduled meetings displayed on the screen. Browse through this list and select the specific meeting for which you want to change the passcode. Once you've located it, you'll notice an Edit button positioned beside the meeting's name. Go ahead and click on this button. This action will open up the full settings page for that particular meeting, giving you access to all the customizable features and security options. On the meeting settings page, scroll down until you find the security section. This is where Zoom houses all the protective features for your meeting, including waiting rooms, authentication requirements, and of course, the meeting passcode. You'll see the current passcode displayed in this section. Click on the passcode field to select it, then delete the existing passcode with the field now cleared. Type in your new passcode. Make sure to choose something secure but memorable, or consider using a password manager to generate and store a strong passcode for you. Once you've entered your new passcode, look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the page. Click on Save to apply your changes. The system will process this update and your meeting will now be protected with the new passcode you just created. Anyone attempting to join this meeting will need to enter this updated passcode, ensuring that only authorized participants can access your session. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the password for your Zoom meeting, strengthening your meeting security in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.